Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 3 of Azure DevOps Engineer series. Today we are going to look into question number 5. Question 5. You are currently developing a project for a client that will be managing work items via Azure DevOps. You want to make sure that the work items process you use for the client allows for requirements, change requests, risks, and reviews to be tracked. Which of the following is the option you would choose? We are in Azure DevOps portal. Under Azure DevOps portal, we have one organization created, and under that organization, we have some projects created. So one project which we have created named basic project. We have used basic project management methodology for our work items under the basic project. So let's click on this. We will go to boards and we'll go to work items. Here we can add the work item, and if we see here, we have a work item type epic, issue, and task. We cannot find anything like requirement, review, change request, or risk. Therefore, the basic project management methodology is not the right answer for this question. Let's see another project. The second project we have created named Agile project, and we have used Agile project management methodology in this project. Let's click on this. We'll go to boards, we'll go to work items, and under the work item, for new work item, we can see bug, epic, feature, issue, task, test case, and user history. But we do not find anything like requirement, change request, risk, or review in it. Therefore, Agile project management methodology is not the correct answer for this question. Let's go to another one. The next project which we have created is Scrum project, and in the Scrum project we have used the Scrum project management methodology. We'll click on the Scrum project and we'll go to boards, under boards, work items, and we will open the work item for Scrum project. So we have work item category bug, epic, feature, impediment, product backlog item, task, and test case, but we do not find the requirement, change request, risk, or review work item in this project management methodology. Therefore, Scrum is not the correct answer. Now the last project type which we have created is CMMI project, and we have used the CMMI project management methodology in this project. We'll go to boards, work items, and under the work item we'll go to new work item. Here we can see that we can create a requirement type of work item, we can create a change request type of work item, we can create a risk type of work item, and we can create a review type of work item as well. Therefore, the CMMI project management methodology fulfills all work item type of requirements in the question. Let's go back to question. Therefore, option D, CMMI, is the correct answer as it has requirements, change request, risks, and reviews work item in it. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.